African names are
I was
affirmations.
about to lie and say I don't have anything bomb-ass to share today, but I'd be lying. Main because I just want to show my fro, but I want to show my fro, but I'd be lying that I don't have anything interesting to share. Dumelang sanibonani, thokozani, happy khanya, happy lesedi, woke gang, wanna be woke gang, hotep gang, the druids, thokoza koko gang, thokoza hlosi gang, love and light gang, chakra hand, stoners united, what's up, work and bake gang, queer gang, queer and conscious, queer black and conscious, black women, the hell I'm willing to die on. What's up? But I have something interesting to share. So I bumped into something on the village. So it was status here, this guy who does the best podcast ever, undisputed. It's called Kwantu. Yeah, I think Kwantu Village or Kwantu is home. Can't actually remember because I have a lot of episodes to catch up on. But it's one of the best podcasts you've ever in the house. But his name is Vusmuzi, and yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. But yeah, he's a knowledge collector. I think he's a journalist by profession, I think. But he said something so dope as, so Ore, it's so amazing how African names are affirmations. And I'm like, that's right. Because that's so total Bitso lebe seromo, right? Or seromo. Where you'd literally and I've seen this. I have this friend of mine, this very dear friend of mine. Her name is and literally everything she touches turns to gold, right? And I've always been on some, it's when I have kids, or if I had a chance to name myself, I would have given myself a very powerful name. So ain't that amazing to hear, right? So I also have gripes le Basotho. Nna ke Mosotho a leboa, but Basotho ba koval. What's with these names? Bo Marikotsi, Ntofela, especially knowing how powerful names are. But yeah, let's do better. But I'm seeing also with the rise in consciousness, little nutshell generation, nobody's using, or with my generation, people decided consciously, I don't go by this name anymore. Like people in primary school, they had the Caucasian names. Now they're like, no, actually my name is this now. And also the generation now, how they're naming their children. Oh, lovely. My little sister, one of my little sisters was saying how, these kids have long names, eh? But what's they have these powerful African names. So yeah, happy today with my dope ass for African names affirmations. Happy today.